Hello.
What the fuck? What is that? What?
I'll find you. You're going to die in there. Don't say I didn't warn you. I know things no one knows. You're going to die. Help me. I'm begging you. Can you help me?
Dad, can you make me a green tea?
Look, Justin! What? Enough! Your own tea.
Hidden speaker prank on my husband.
Babe, can you give me some water?
Oh?
It doesn't matter, like a cup of water. It's fine.
Oh! Yo, what was that?
What are you doing?
Morgan, look at me.
Hidden speaker prank on my husband.
Oh my god.
Hello?
What?
Can you find me?
The fuck?
Can you find me?
Fuck this shit.
I'm here.
Oh, god damn it.
Look.
What the fuck? Brittany!
I'm behind you.
God damn it! Where the fuck is it?
I just want to play a game with
I'm trying to shit.
you. Hey, don't you run away. Please stay. Stay with me. You don't come play with me.
Oh,
Did it work?
is that fucking shit film?
I hope so.
Pranking my boys.
A pure stretch. He has.
Hid a speaker in the vent.
What was that?
The fuck?
Is there a fucking. Ah! Shut the door! Shut the door! Fuck! Hey! Hey! Shoot the animal!
What?
It's growling! Oh, leave the door open! Leave the door open! Leave the door open! Stop!
Hiding a speaker and playing a girl screaming to see if my dad would get a shock. Mind the language.
I'm going crazy. I don't know. It sounds like there's something in the wardrobe.
In the wardrobe.
You like in that one at the very back?
This one.
No, man, the left one.
This one.
Is there anything in there?
No. No. Fuck me! What the fuck was that? Fucking hell! You stupid little bastard! Fuck! What the fuck that? What is it? I'm scared for you.
See, can you get it?
Stand back.
Did you win?
Right, keep doing it now. Go.
You have to do the next one. Right, come on, do the next one.
Right, wait, go.
Who's going to win? No, Farah, you have to win. Wrong way. Farah, look at this one. Look at this one, quick. Farah, go and help the boys. They don't know what they're doing. Go on, quick. Help them. Go on over and help them.